Dili gid ta pwede magkapareha tanan. Mo nang sa akong filosofiya as math teacher, dili gina pwede bright tanan sa math. We have differences. Maybe we have similarities pod. Our similarities will be the group where we belong. So pareha ta, kuyog ta. Our differences will be our role in our society. So kung teacher ko, police ka, nurse ka, different ta. Kay lain-lain ta og role. So the purpose of school is socialization and employment or big business. It is also to identify your strength and weakness. Our strength will be our main role in the society. Our weakness will be the reason why we need others. So if all of us are equal, why do we have different preferences and abilities? Because our differences will make our society grow by helping one another. That should be the main purpose of school and life, to identify our role in society and to help one another, because no one is an island.